I'm going to read you one of my favorite stories. When I read this book, I don't read it, I sing it. It's a song, Dr. Seuss's A, B, C. You should get a copy. It's fun. Big A, little a, what begins with A? Aunt Annie's alligator, A. Big B, little B, what begins with B? Barber baby bubbles and a bumblebee. Big C, little c, what begins with C? Camel on the ceiling, C. Big D, little d, David Donald do. Dreamed a dozen donuts and a duck dog too. A, B, C, D, E. Ear, egg, elephant, E. Big F, little F. 4 fluffy feathers on a fiffer, feff. A, B, C, D, F, G. Goat, girl, goo goo goggles, G. Big H, little h, hungry horse, hey. Hen in a hat, hooray. Big I, little I. Ichabod is itchy, so am I. Itchy. Big J, little j, what begins with J? Jerry Jordan's jelly jar and jam begin that way. Big K, little K, kitten kangaroo. Kick a kettle kite and a king's kerchoo! Bless me. Big L, little up. Left leg, lazy lion, licks a lollipop. Big M, little m, many mumbling mice are making midnight music in the moonlight, mighty nice. Maybe it's Mozart. Big N, little n, what begins with those? 9 new neckties and a nightshirt and a nose. O is very useful, you use it when you say, Oscar's only owl, orange, medicine day. Oscar's only ostrich, oils an orange owl today. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Painting pink pajamas, policeman in a pail. Peter Pepper's puppy and now Papa's in the pail. Big Q, little Q, what begins with Q? The quick queen of Quincy and her quacking quackaroo. Big R, little R, Rosie, Robin, Ross. Rosie's going riding on a red rhinoceros. Big S, little s, silly Sammy Slick. Sipped 6 sodas and got sick. T, what begins with T? 10 tired turtles on a tuttle tree. Big U, little U, what begins with U? Uncle Ub's umbrella and his underwear too. Big V, little V, Vera Violet Finn is very, very, very awful on her violin. She needs to practice. She needs some good teaching and then practice. WWW, Willie Waterloo, washes Warren Wiggins who is washing Waldo Woo. X is very useful if your name is Nixie Knox. It also comes in handy spelling axe and extra fox. Big Y, little y, yawning yellow yak. Young Yolanda Jorgensen is yelling on his back. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Big Z, little z, what begins with Z? I do. I am a zizzer, zazzer, zuzz, as you can plainly see. Have a beautiful day.